domestic violence is no good. You mean especially all man, where you stop killing all woman, and me you stop him, but me tell him straight from say, you supposed to have one beginning after you make him strong man, blue good. You must have one of them. Yes, sir. Me must tell him no more. You strong physically, but all woman only always emotionally strong. More, you must have one of them now. Every time you want to cut one beginning, woman me must control one him. You think say me one is something. So please you must think twice before you take all actions blue. Or some say you one man or one be. Suppose you have one beginning after you make him strong man blue. Yes, a matter you remember I lazy one man, but sorry to must one man. Suppose you one man, but you care one blue no matter the situation. From say of course, all woman only probably traumatic, emotionally, but you tell them all woman, but you tell them say all sister blue me, all woman blue me, all auntie blue me, all mama blue me. From only care, feeling low. All woman be me different, especially lo you me all man. So lo site as me also want to tell me about domestic violence here. You must stop him. You just must stop him no more. From say by me had to stop him, by me cut him down. The all women only got voice now, yeah. So hide them, raise them up voice for you. You got women center Mr. Police Farm Power 99 FM to Mr. place here. And it also police me work with them, women's and I make them tremble cope with them domestic violence. But from you be awesome say all woman be me, all sister be me, full of all hata. Sometimes only one time koputum very sorry lo all husband lo kata pa again. So one employee make a mistake, you must talk man you must take one decision, one stand. So we continue with them domestic violence. And help them relationship you too. So lo pleasure song away me stand by stop mi trama bele me meno mi tell Bilo Cavoro. You will go listen them, All right, so you're listening all the way from Fiji. Thank you so much again. Please have a setup plus everything about Paradise 98 FM. Plus send them song and me come me play mo you listen them all the way to Fiji as well. So this one is coming up. Bilo Cavoro. Let us hear this right about now.
Paradise 98 FM, simply the best.
Morning. Awesome vibes, awesome vibes. Awesome vibe, mate. Awesome vibe. Good song for Fox too, We'll be playing it. Come on, Paradise.